Hey, what's up? Good morning, everyone. I'm Wilbur here of Clear Choice Auto, and welcome to our another video. Right, so today we are sitting in the inside of this stunning Toyota Land Cruiser. So this is the 2025 model. So this in gloss black. So what we are doing on this vehicle right now, we will be protecting the entire vehicle with a paint protection film. Right, this is paint protection film. So we took off all these taillights, all these trims right here, these flares. We take them all off to ensure everything was stuck underneath. So look at this. It's pretty nice. Alright. So I always making sure these fingers right here are spread evenly. Otherwise, that's gonna give me a headache in the long run. Right. So no silvering here, no silvering here. These are the most critical areas right here. So on computer cutout, there was a seam in this area. Right. It's hiding here. So, right. Let's move on. Right, so these are prone to silvering in this kind of area. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna keep it afloat and wet. So keep the film float and then squeegee it, and then same time laying it back down. Look at that. No silvers. Look, no silvering. That's all that matters. With no silvering, we're good. Here. Look at that. Nice. These are the most critical areas right here. They are prone to silvering. Now we are good. Let's go ahead, stretch this thing down. Right. So I'm here. I'm gonna secure that area. Bang. Yeah, let's stretch it down. Stretch it down there. I'm gonna put my whole body weight in there. Oh yeah. Now I have this. I'm gonna stretch it towards my side. Make sure the stretch is even. Look at that. That's nice. Okay, that's flat. go ahead, squeegee it. Oh, see some silver there. Put it up. See, that's the only problem with black paint. They're so prone to silvering. Look at this, nice and awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna make hole in here, the fog light area. Okay, just small little hole. Right. Oh. Look at that, nice. So clean here, no silvering on this area. Okay, I'm gonna walk this finger towards that way. So easier for me to trim. Look at this, nice and awesome. Wow, cool. Right, so now what I'm gonna do is just gonna trim that excess, then hit it down, and we are good. All right, so all right, folks. So the whole car is already protected with matte paint protection film. So we call it stealth. So it's basically it's matte. All right, so everything is putting back together now. The flares are all back together. All the mirrors, all the trims. We took all these things apart. That's just to ensure the maximum coverage. We're always making sure if it is gloss to matte conversion, we're always making sure the film goes all the way, no gloss, no glossy part exposed. Like here, we wrap it inside. Here, tuck it underneath. So always making it sure is factory look finish. All right. So thank you for being with me the whole process. All right. So I'm just gonna cut off the video right here, and thank you everyone for watching, and hope to see you again on our next video.